Hello over there and welcome back to this YouTube channel. My name is Julia and in today's clip I'm doing a SHEIN haul. I bought loads of stuff from SHEIN, not necessarily loads, but I did spend quite some money over there. I would have definitely spent even more if my bank account would have allowed me to, but thank God I know how to control myself to a certain extent. I'm saying to a certain extent, but because did I really need what I bought? No. Would I have loved to buy even more? Yeah, sure. I think I need that whole website because it's so cheap and so far what I've tried from them is good. So anyways, this is a haul. I have beauty bits, I have clothing, I have accessories. So without further ado, if you want to see what the heck I bought from SHEIN, keep on watching. So before starting, I actually have already 2 clips on SHEIN products. I have the testing SHEIN wigs if you want to check that out. I tried 3 wigs, a blue, gray and dark black one, and I also have a video testing their tattoos, the dainty ones. So if you want to check that out as well, it's over my channel. I will try to not forget to link it down below, but I always put it in the cards. That's one thing I don't forget. I think it's very convenient to put them in the cards. If you want to check those ones as well, then definitely do. The reason why they are not in this video clip is because I bought them a while ago. This is another order. So first things first, I'm gonna start off with my actual t-shirt. I don't know if you can see it. It says hell was boring, and I thought it was the dopest thing ever. Like, hi, literally me. I would definitely be like in this position, I would say. But yeah, I think it was a really dope t-shirt. I'm gonna put a try-on, full-on try-on next to me and show you how it looks. Because I'm petite, it kind of is a bit long on my body, but it's not overly exaggerated long. It does fit true to size. I got it in a S, and I think it's perfectly nice. If you want to have it oversized, then definitely size up, because I was really shocked how fitting it is. But to be completely honest, I'm not mad about it. I think it's gonna look very, very cute tied into the jeans, you know, with a belt, which I actually bought myself a belt too. But anyways, we are getting there. I'm very excited as well because this is the only thing I properly opened up. The rest, they're still in the wrap bags because I care that much about YouTube and I want to share every single freaking moment of opening these with you. So this t-shirt, just I want to say, is not the best top-notch quality, but it's not bad quality. It's not see-through, and I really like that the material is thick. It's very nicely sewed, so you know, it's just like not funky around the, you know, I have no idea how to explain. I forgot what English is, but it's a really nice t-shirt. That's what I'm trying to say. It is a bit fitting to the neck, but if you like this type of style, then it's fair enough. I think for the summer, during the day, if it's super hot, I'm gonna hate it, but I do have this style of t-shirts and I just wear them at night. So yeah, moving on to the next thing. So the t-shirt was actually $8.49 and I paid only $6.59 because I had a code. They always do codes? Do they always do codes? I think so. Like last time I had a code as well over their website, but anyway, so it's an actual really good price for a t-shirt that has a very cute writing on top. I really got it for the writing, alright. I think it's dope. So yeah, next I'm talking about this mirror, which was $2.99 and I paid $2.37. The only reason I am a teeny tiny bit disappointed about this mirror is because I thought it's gonna be bigger. I actually thought it's gonna be like this size, and it's literally not. Like, it's around my palm, if you can see, and it's not horribly bad because I tried it now and it did not bother me to look into it. Actually, oh no, I have lipstick on my teeth. Obviously it had to happen to me. I wonder for how much I had that lipstick on. But yeah, I did my makeup now with it and it wasn't that bad. Actually, it's very comfortable to look into it and hang it as such, like keep it as such, and I really liked it. I'm actually not as mad as I was today when I opened it and I was like, this is so tiny, I thought you're gonna be bigger. But it's not, like, it's not bad. It's just a heads up, if you expect it to be like the Jeffree Star's mirrors, it's not, because those ones look quite big. I just don't like those ones because I feel they're like too much of a in-your-face branding, and I just wanted something, you know, like this. But I wished it was bigger, but it's manageable for the price it has. It's definitely manageable. And also the t-shirt came in this kind of like plastic bag. I'm actually gonna keep them. They say they are recyclable, but I think I'm gonna keep them for travel purposes. Next, I got some sponges. I got a free pack, and these were $2.99. I paid $2.37, and they seem super squishy. Like, I'm actually gonna open them with you right now. They seem so squishy, and they are not wet, right? And I think I just think I'm gonna love them. I will definitely do a testing SHEIN Beauty Blenders dupe over here, so definitely subscribe, stay close to this channel, because I'm planning to do that and use all of them free. Because, like, I mean, no, I'm not gonna use all of them free, because literally they are identical in their squishiness and in their, you know, the material, so there will not be a point to it. But they look so cute. I think it's so cute. They are like nude, and you know, they are inclusive. That's so cute. Actually, that's so cute. I think it's just stunning. And yeah, I can't wait to try them out, because they feel like something I would definitely be in love with. But I'm not saying I am, because I did not try them. Next is a necklace. It's kind of like a crystalline necklace, and I am very curious how this one is going to look on top of my neck. Around my neck, not on top of my neck. Yeah. And this was $198 on offer, but full price it retails for $249. Yeah. Okay. It comes in a little pouch. Let's see. Okay, it's quite long. I was expecting it to be like a more of a choker situation. It's definitely not a choker situation. Okay. I mean, I don't remember actually how it looked on the model, but it's definitely not like a choker situation. Can you see it? It actually looks stunning. Oh my god, it looks so cool. Yeah, I love it. I love it. It's just this with like just not like this t-shirt, like something, you know, you would see my chest, and with like a few chokers around my neck. I think it will look so dope. I already like it. I'm just gonna keep it like this. Yeah, we're doing it. But it's a really good one. Like, the material is very nice. It doesn't look cheap, that cheap at all. Like, it obviously doesn't look like it will be, I don't know, like a precious stone or something like that, but it looks really nice for the price. The material of the necklace is actually quite good. Like, it's very nice. It doesn't feel like bad around my neck, and I'm very sensitive with my skin, so if it will like be like greedy or something, I'll definitely sense it. I'll be like, ugh. So it's not like that. It's actually really nice quality for the price. Next, I bought compressed sheet masks. Like, I've seen all over TikTok these. Like, TikTok made me buy it? Yeah, hell yeah. So these were full price, $2.99. I paid only $2.37 for 50 compressed sheet masks. Yeah, 50. Here we go. And I'm very excited because my sheet masks that are already bought with the serum, they just literally leave a lot of serum inside the packaging, and it's such a waste. So what I did is I put every single leftover from the actual packaging into an old empty clean pot. We are doing this DIY over my TikTok. I'm gonna try it and see if it's gonna be worth it and what the material is going to be of this and all of that jazz. But I'm very excited. I've seen it all over the TikTok. I love TikTok. Follow me there because I post over there too. Next, very random, but I really needed one. Like, I got a 15 grades ice tray. It's 1 pack. Its full price is $3.99 and I paid only $3.16. And literally over Amazon, they are so expensive. It's like £10 one, and I was like, Amazon, I thought you were cheap. So I decided to buy it from SHEIN instead. And this is how it looks like. I really like that it's squishy, so you can pretty much push and get the ice out. Like, I hope it's gonna be that simple, but it's not like super wobbly. Like, it will definitely stay very nicely, if that makes sense, because it has a kind of like density to it, so it would stay flat. Does that make sense? It's just because I had a silicone tray for molding chocolate, and literally I tried to put water to, you know, make hard ice, and it was like this, wobbling. I was like, oh, let me just put you in the freezer, please, just stop wobbling. This is not like that, so that's why I'm very specific and giving you details of why I really like it has, you know, a shape to it to properly stay straight. Also, it has this. I have no idea why it does have this, but it has this. It has a hole. Yeah. A belt. We bought ourselves, I'm sorry, I can't share the belt with you or anything actually, because it's impossible. I'm very sorry. This is a plastic bottom belt, they call it. It's like, what's the actual trendy name of it? Utility belt. I bought myself a utility belt. I'm pretty sure that's the trendy name. And this retails for $3.49 and I paid only $2.77. And I'm gonna open it and I'm gonna actually use my phone camera to show you how it looks on my waist. Okay, I tried it and it's actually so nice. I'm so happy with it. Like, literally has a clasp, whatever you wanna call it. It's very sturdy. It's actually really sturdy. And you have an adjusting part where it's not gonna just be too long. Like, I've seen some of the ones over, I don't know, Boohoo or Pretty Little Thing, that sometimes they just have this hanging around, and I'm just like, sorry, I wasn't showing you properly, hanging this around like literally like super long, and I'm like, I just don't want that, because I'm so petite that is the last thing I want to be too long for my petite body. So this is actually such a bargain. Like, this is actually super good quality and so goddamn cheap. Such a bargain. I'm definitely make a lot of use out of it. I love it. I truly do. I already am in love with it. It's just love at first sight, alright? Don't judge. So next, what is next? Straws. I just wanted like metallic straws, and I got a 4-pack straw, a 1-pack brush to clean them, and a storage bag for only £3.16. It's $3.99 originally, but again, codes. So I'm very excited to open this because I did not open it actually. Like, you see, it has it here. Oh, here we go. This is actually very fancy. Okay. Please be cute, please be cute. Are you cute? Yes, you're cute. They are pink. I did not think this through. I'm not quite sure how my boyfriend's gonna feel, but he's gonna love them. He has to. But these are so cute. So they are like 4 straws. They're not necessarily proper metal, but I think they're gonna be nice because they don't seem to be cold on the hand. And I really like that actually. They look very nice, and you have this, and I guess you put it like... They are very dusty. That's the only thing I would say. I need to clean them, but it works. This gets inside them. So, do you go all the way up? Yeah. But I think you have to do it differently, like here. Yeah. Yeah. So you have to brush it here and then whoop whoop. Random bits. Oh, nails. Let's talk about nails. So I bought these mixed patterns water transfer nail stickers, 45 sheets, for only $2.37. Originally $2.99. And I actually opened these They are the cutest. I'm gonna show you a few because they are like 45. I can't show you all of them, I'm sorry. I'm gonna try to make a TikTok showing you all of them and try to place them very nicely before, you know, properly using them, so I will not like mess up the sheet. But these are so cute, like literally. Let me show you this one with the feathers, this one with the flamingos. These are quite big actually for my nails. Like I have my natural nails, so we'll see how that looks. These ones as well, they're so cute. I'm gonna show you, let's see, these ones, like black and white, so cute. Also these ones as well, they have foxes on them. Do you see the fox? I love foxes so much. I think they are the cutest of them all. Like, I just love foxes, and there are so many around here in the UK. These ones as well, very trendy, very trendy. I can't wait to use them. I might do actually a how to use them, because apparently you have to use them like water transfer, so I'm not quite sure how that's gonna work out, but I'm gonna figure it out. Like, I'm just getting bored of just simple nails with like some studs on top, and I need some patterns in my life, alright? So I'm gonna figure it out. And last but certainly not least, I have a pajama. So it's with cherries. This one, it's with cherries. I love cherries. I just love cherries in general. Like, I'm not, but I paid for this one $5.99 full price, and I paid $4.74. It's not the best quality material. It's not the best quality material. It's synthetic, I can tell. I'm gonna hate it a bit, but this is how it looks like. It's gonna be long, I can tell. I think it's going to be too long, and I'm gonna show you over my phone camera that it kind of looks super long for me. I'm very tiny. I kind of sucks, but I feel like I look like my grandma. I mean, my grandma is beautiful, but like still, it's just, I don't want to wear grandma dresses since I'm like only 24. But yeah, I think it's not gonna be too bad. However, it's way too long for a petite person. So if you're 1.53 meters long, like tall, not long, whatever you want to call it, I just, yeah, I'm lost at this moment. Don't buy it because it's way longer than your knees. The only thing that bothers me is like the material. It definitely feels like synthetic. This one feels synthetic too, but it doesn't feel as bad as that one, I feel. Or it definitely feels more synthetic, this one, than the t-shirt. And obviously the t-shirt, I only wear it when I go out. I don't sleep in it. And you know, I need to be comfy and have a material that my skin doesn't feel like it. So I'll give it a wash and see if I'm gonna, you know, handle the material around the house and give you an update into the description down below. I always give updates to people, and you know, to the people who are watching these clips, into the description down below, just for people to make sure, you know, they have every single bit of information I can possibly offer from my experience, obviously, because every single one's experience are different. All that jazz, you know, keep that in mind. But so far so good. I hope you enjoyed this clip. It was useful and relevant, and fingers crossed you might subscribe to this channel. Stay around. I upload every single week at least a video, if not more, mostly beauty related, but I'm always up for different things as well, so you never know. But yeah, I will hopefully see you within the next one.